Adding security. Here we will go through the high level of overview of security in Qlik Sense. Then what are the different types of security that you can implement in Qlik Sense? And finally, the script that you actually need to write to implement the security in data as well as to application authentication. Qlik Sense security overview. Here, let's review what are the high-level components that are available in Qlik Sense and some of the things that you need to remember when you are implementing the security. So first thing is that you have the application script. This is the script which I have shown in one of the videos where I have explained how you can take the QVD out or data out in the form of the QVD file. And the name of the video was how to create QVD in Qlik Sense. There we had seen the first time the application script, and it is referred to as section application in the technical term. And then you have the security script, which is referred as section access. So when you are talking in the Qlik Sense terms, you will talk the security script as section access and application script as section application. Security script is always the very first script that you will implement in Qlik Sense. It has to be written before any script that you will write to load or massage the data. And before you actually start writing and implementing the security script, make sure that you always create a duplicate application somewhere, whether in the same folder or somewhere else, because most of the time when you are beginning with the security script, it may happen that you will actually lock yourself out from the application, and whatever work you have done will not be recovered in case something goes wrong. So it is very, very important that you make a duplicate copy of your application before you actually start writing the security script. And finally, whatever security script that you are configuring in the Qlik Sense will only work in the Qlik Sense server when you will actually publish the application. If you will try to run the security script on your local desktop machine or local application, it will not work. It will not reduce the data as per your expectation. So that's about some high-level information and overview of Qlik Sense security and some of the best practices that you need to make sure you are aware before starting the security script and after implementing the security script.